Welcome to iWorld USA.
2025 Toyota 4Runner is finally here, and it's everything off-road enthusiasts have been waiting for. Toyota has given this legendary SUV a bold new redesign while staying true to its rugged roots. The first thing that stands out is its aggressive new exterior, featuring a boxier shape, a larger grille, and redesigned LED headlights that enhance visibility. The body-on-frame construction remains, ensuring durability and toughness for extreme terrain. Toyota has also introduced new color options and wheel designs, giving buyers more ways to personalize their 4Runner. With improved aerodynamics and a modernized look, this SUV is built to dominate both city streets and off-road trails. Under the hood, the 2025 4Runner is expected to feature Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain, delivering a balance of power and efficiency. Reports suggest a turbocharged four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, providing an impressive horsepower boost while improving fuel economy. This move aligns with Toyota's strategy to enhance performance without sacrificing reliability. The traditional V6 might be phased out, but the new powertrain promises more torque and better towing capacity. Additionally, an upgraded suspension system and a more refined multi-terrain select mode make tackling rocky paths, deep mud, and steep inclines even easier. Inside, Toyota has made major upgrades to the 4Runner's cabin, focusing on technology and comfort. A new digital gauge cluster, a larger infotainment touchscreen, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. The interior materials have been significantly improved, offering premium soft-touch surfaces and available leather-trimmed seats. Toyota has also reworked the layout to provide more storage options and better ergonomics. The second-row seats now offer improved legroom, and higher trims come with ventilated front seats, a panoramic sunroof, and an upgraded JBL sound system for an enhanced driving experience. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 4Runner is no exception. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These advanced driver assistance systems make it one of the safest off-road SUVs in its class. The addition of a 360-degree camera system ensures better visibility, especially when maneuvering through tight trails or parking in crowded areas. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner is set to redefine the midsize SUV segment with its perfect blend of rugged capability and modern features. Whether it's for daily driving, family road trips, or hardcore off-roading, the new 4Runner is built to handle it all. With an official release expected soon, Toyota fans are eagerly waiting to see it in action.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Rich World for more updates and insights on the world of luxury and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.